So question A1 is asking for area of the campsite OPQR. Okay, OPQR. Okay, so we have 4 coordinates of that. So we just use the formula of distance in the formula of area. What is formula area? Area OPQR. So what you do, just substitute the coordinate of O is 0, 0. Coordinate of P is -5, 3. Coordinate of Q is 14, 18. Coordinate of R is 15, 1. Okay, then 1/2, and then you multiply from here to there. Okay. Step 0, 0. You have to repeat. Did you repeat? Okay. Let me. Okay. Alright. So 0 times. Okay. I will write down still 0, and then this is 5 times 18. Okay, 5 times 18 will be 90, then plus 14, then plus 0. Okay, minus, then you multiply here, you get 0, you get 42, and this one 18 times 15, which is 270, and then plus 0. Okay, then 1/2 modulus. I will calculate part by part. This is -90 plus 14 and equals to -76 minus, here will be 42 plus 270, that is equals to 312. Okay, so for your info, because this one we arrange in clockwise order, so we are going to get a negative value. Okay, so the 7, okay, -76, -312 will be -76, -312 is -388. Then you multiply, then it is same with 1/2 times 388. That is 194 unit square. Okay, was your mistake? Aha, okay, so if you don't include the 0, 0, then you have area of only PQR. That is a triangle, not a collateral. So they're asking for OPQR, so include all of them. Okay, we have to read the question again. Diagram 3 shows a campsite OPQR that had been cleared by a group of scouts. Points A, B, and C are the center of the tents A, B, and C respectively. A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, A, B, and C are collinear, mean we can draw A, B, and C. Given the distance of point C is 3 times from point B. C is 3 times. This is 3. And 4 times from point A. So this is 4. Okay, so in order to find the coordinates of a coordinate, we use the ratio formula. Are we using 3 and 4? No, because we have to understand how to use this formula. That is m plus n, and then it will be n times x1 plus m x2, and here again m plus n, and y1 plus m y2. And which coordinate is here? This coordinate. So this is the xy. And which one is x1 and x2? It depends. Okay, so it depends depending on the ratio that you are going to use. So what I'm going to use, the ratio, is that I am going to cut the ratio to, what is the ratio of A to B? I will write down 1. What is the ratio B to C? I write down 3. A to B is 1, B to C is 3, depending on the info here. Okay, so we cannot take the as the face value of it. Okay, we cannot take 4 and 3. Actually we can, but it will confuse you a lot. Okay, so it's better to take whatever between here to here and whatever to here to here as m and n. So we are going to have like this, 1 plus 3. So if you are using 1 plus 3 like what I'm doing, so xy will be b, and then a will be x1 and y1. So c will be x2, y2. Okay, so since we know b, substitute b. B is 2, 4. And then the ratio is 1 to 3. And we substitute. We do not know x1, so still x1 plus 1 time x2, which is c, which is 11, 10. So it should be 11 here. And again, 1 plus 3 for y, 3y2 plus 1 times y2, which is 10. And solve the equation means we are talking, you take the x here equals to 2. So I'm going to write down here. So we say 3x plus 11, because 1 times 11, over 4, because 1 plus 3 equals to 2. Then we solve this. We say 3x plus 11 equals to 8. So 3x equals to 8 minus 11, which is negative 3. So 3x is negative 3. So x is negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. And then similarly for y, we say 3y plus 10 over 4 equals to 4, and cross multiply, we have 3y plus 10 equals to 16. So then move 10. So we have 3y equal to 16 minus 10, which is 6. So y will be 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So therefore A will be negative 1, 2. Any confusion? Okay. All right. A scout spreads sulfur powder around 10 C such that the distance of the sulfur powder tracks from the center of 10C is always 3 meter. Right? So track C is somewhere here. The coordinate is 11, 10. Okay, 11, 10. So we just imagine 3 unit. 3 unit mean to the left, 3 unit to the right, 3 unit above and below here. So it will create actually a circle, okay, connecting all the coordinates, okay. Because this coordinate is given 11 and 0, so I would tell you that okay, it's better for me to draw a circle around C. It's like that. So the radius will be 3, okay. Whichever, okay, whichever way, okay. So how to do this? The locus of this is coordinate is x, y, because it is moving point. So sometimes it's there, it's there, it's there. So you cannot pinpoint exact location, okay. So what we do using the formula distance, because the ratio from the locus to coordinate C is 3 units. So you say this is x1 and coordinate C is x2. So we have to say x minus 11 squared plus y minus 10 squared equals to 3 squared. And then you expand the bracket, will be x minus 11 plus y minus 10 and y minus 10 equals to 9. Okay, so it become x squared minus 11x plus 121 plus y squared minus 10y plus 100 and minus 9 equals to 0. So simplify, you get x squared minus 22x plus y squared minus 20y, and then this plus this minus this should be 212 equals to 0. Yes. Okay, so basically there are 2 types of locus. One is the circle and another that move along a straight line. Okay, so there are basically 3 types. Okay, there so when you come around for example, then I will show you how to do it. All right. Okay.